All right, let's dive into something really cool and super important in the world of AI right now. We're going to tackle a huge question. How do we get these incredibly smart AI models to know about, well, the real world in real time? We're going to break down two powerful ways to do it, RAG and MCP. Let's get right into it. So here's the big problem, right? You've got this amazing large language model, but it's basically frozen in time. It was trained on a massive amount of data, for sure, but that training ended on a specific date. It has a knowledge cutoff. So it has no idea what happened in the news yesterday. It can't see your company's private files, and it definitely can't check a live stock price. How do we fix that? How do we give it a window into the here and now? Well, it turns out we've got two main ways to tackle this, and I've got a great analogy that'll make it all click. Think of the first approach, RAG, as giving the AI an open book exam. And the second one, MCP, is like giving it an expert assistant that it can call anytime. Let's break down what that really means. Okay, first up is RAG. That stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. This is our open book exam. Picture this. Before the AI even tries to answer your question, another system acts like a super fast librarian. It zips through a knowledge base, finds the most relevant documents, and basically hands them to the AI as a cheat sheet along with your question. The AI then uses these fresh notes to build its answer. Pretty smart, huh? Now, on the other hand, you've got MCP, or Model Context Protocol. This is our expert assistant. Instead of getting a pile of notes beforehand, the AI can actually pause while it's thinking and say, you know what, I need to make a call. It can actively connect to outside tools, maybe a calculator, a live database, a weather app. Grab exactly what it needs, and then seamlessly continue the conversation. It's an active, in-the-moment kind of help. So an open book versus an expert on call, they sound pretty different, and they are. Let's put them side by side to really dig into how they stack up against each other. This table really breaks it all down. Architecturally, RAG stuffs all the knowledge it finds right into the prompt, while MCP is all about actively calling out to other tools. Now, timing is a huge one. With RAG, all the research happens before the AI starts talking. With MCP, it can ask for help during the conversation. This difference totally changes their scope. RAG is laser-focused on documents, while MCP can talk to pretty much anything with an API. That makes RAG a one-shot deal, while MCP can be this back-and-forth interactive process. You know, the beauty of RAG is just how simple and direct it is. It's a clean two-step dance. Step 1, find the right stuff. Step 2, use that stuff to give a great answer. Bam, bam. It's elegant and incredibly effective. Now, MCP. That's a whole different ballgame. It's way more dynamic. Just imagine asking something like, what's our total profit for products over $50? An MCP-powered AI could first call a calculator tool, get a number, and then use that result to go ask a database a totally new question. It can chain actions together. It's interactive. Okay, so you might be thinking, which one is actually better? And the real answer is, it depends. This isn't about a winner and a loser. It's all about using the right tool for the right job. So let's talk about when you'd pick one over the other. So when are you going to pull RAG out of your toolbox? Well, you'll reach for it when your world is mostly text. Think about a support bot for your company's internal wiki or for all your product manuals. If the job is to find the right needle in a haystack of documents and then explain what you found, RAG is absolutely your go-to. But if you need your AI to actually do things, not just know things, that's where MCP comes in. You need to book a flight? You got to talk to an airline's API. You want to know the current inventory? That's a live database query. MCP is the star when your AI needs to be an active player, juggling multiple live systems to get something done. So far, we've kind of painted this picture of them as rivals, right? RAG for books, MCP for tools. Team RAG versus Team MCP. But what if I told you they don't have to be competitors at all? What if they're actually partners? Let's go back to our analogy for a second. What happens if you tell your super smart expert assistant, hey, your job for the next 5 minutes is to go read these specific books and give me a summary? See? The line starts to get a little blurry, doesn't it? And that right there is the big reveal. They're not mutually exclusive at all. In fact, you can use MCP to build a RAG system. Think of MCP as the operating system for tools. And that super fast librarian that finds documents for RAG, that's just another tool the MCP-powered AI can decide to call. This gives you the best of both worlds. So all this leaves us with a really fascinating question to chew on. As we build the future of AI, are we trying to build one giant, all-knowing brain? Or is the real secret to intelligence just having a better, more organized address book so you always know exactly which expert to call at exactly the right time? The answer is probably a bit of both, and now you know the two key ways we're making it happen. Thanks so much for tuning in.